Well, everybody, in the biggest additions to my fire alarm collection, of course with my notification appliances here, whoa, I finally got a fire alarm control panel. Ready to reveal it? It's my Silent Night SK2 fire alarm control panel. It's very nice, and I just got it today and tested it out. And I got showing a knack fault here and trouble here in zone 1. So I just got my Notifier NBG 12L pull station hooked up and my Spectre alert there with the strobe only wired up. So let's pull her. Acknowledge that. Okay, zone 1 is an alarm here. I got the strobe light flashing. If I had the horn wired up, the horn will be going off too. Okay, if it's a false alarm, you can silence the alarm. Okay, silence that. Reset the pull station. Now hit reset. Okay, we got a trouble coming in here. Acknowledge that. Okay, and that's just a quick test with my new fire alarm control panel. It came with fire alarm wire here. Unfortunately, it did not come with a key, but that's okay. I ordered a key on eBay there. And when I powered up the cord, it came up. I got a 8-foot power supply cord here, and it works out very, very nice too. So let's do another test, shall we? Okay, silence that. Got an alarm on zone 1. Reset the pull and reset the panel. Panel's clear. Acknowledge that. And that is it for my new quick fire alarm panel test. Please rate and comment. Thank you very much for watching.